Oh, I am so excited, cried Grover. Building in the sand is fun. Hey, everybody, I called to my friends. Come and look at the neat sand castle we're making with my new pail and shovel. Hey, Big Bird, me want to share work on sandcastle, called a familiar voice. It was Cookie Monster, coming over with Prairie Dawn to help. This sandcastle needs more delicious towers, cried Cookie Monster. This fort needs windows and doors, said Prairie Dawn. Let us make a tunnel between our castles, Grover said to me. Other friends came to help build the Sand City. This castle needs a moat, said Betty Lou, and she began to dig. And a bridge to go over it, said Harry Monster. Ernie and Bert came over to see what everyone was doing. Look at the neat Sand City, Ernie, said Bert. Right, Bert, said Ernie, but I think it needs some special decorations, don't you? I think it could look a lot fancier. What do you think, Big Bird? Sure, I said. The fancier, the better. Good idea, Ernie, Bert answered. How about some shiny Figgy Fizz bottle caps on the turrets? I couldn't believe that Bert would share his Figgy Fizz bottle cap collection. But he did. When all the castles and forts and bridges and roads were finished, everyone stood back and admired the magnificent Sand City. Gee, everybody, I cried, our Sand City is so beautiful. Honk, 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 honked the honkers. Thank you for sharing your pail and shovel with us, Big Bird, said Harry Monster and the others. I smiled. This is what Granny Bird meant.